Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, safe, and healthy at home. I welcome you all in your maths class. Today, in our maths class, we are going to start a new chapter, that is addition of two-digit number. In our previous chapter, we all have studied about one-digit number and two-digit numbers, that is from 0 to 99. So, I hope you all have learned the number names and you all have studied the place values of two-digit numbers. So, before starting the chapter, I would like to ask few questions to you. So, are you all ready for the questions?
Okay, children. Now, can you all tell me what I have here? This is mango tree. Very good. And this is apple tree. Very good. Now, can you all tell me how many mangoes and apples I have here? Yes, we have 3 mangoes. 1, 2 and 3 mangoes. And how many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 apples. Now can you all tell me all together how many fruits we have? Come, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 fruits all together. Very good. So children, in the same way, we are going to do the addition of two digits number. But before that, can you all tell me what is this? What is this, children? Yes, this is our plus sign. You all have been familiar with this sign, right? What does this sign do for us? It adds, it sums up the things, it joins the things together, it makes them equal, or it tells us how many things we have in all. So children, let's say hi to the plus sign. Hello plus sign. Now we are going to do the addition with the help of you of two-digit numbers. So children, are you all ready to do the addition of two-digit number? Very good. So let's come start our addition. Okay children, so now let's start our addition of two-digit numbers. Here I have taken two numbers, that is 36 and 12. You all have studied about the place value of ones and tens in your previous chapter, that is numbers up to 99. In that we have learned the place value of ones and tens. So let's start doing our addition. We always start from ones place and from the top. Okay, so let's add up 6 plus 2. What will come? 6 plus 2 will give us 8. Very good. Now, after that, we will move to the tens place. That is 3 plus 1. It will give us 4. Very good. This is how we will do the addition of two-digit number. Let's see some more example of addition. Children, here I have taken 46 and 20. Okay, so let's start doing our addition. Here we have written ones digit at ones place and tens digit at tens place. That is 6 below ones and 4 below tens. In the same way, 0 below ones and 2 below tens. Now we will add which place first? Ones place. Very good. 6 plus 0 gives us, in 6 we are adding nothing. 0 means nothing. So what will it give us? It will give us 6 only. Very good. Now we will add the tens place, that is 4 plus 2. What will it gives us? Let's count it up. We can add it up by drawing lines also. Here we have 4. So we will draw 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 2. We will draw 2 more lines. What will it gives us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will gives us 6. Very good. So our answer will be 66. Okay children, now we are going to do the addition of 2-digit number with 1-digit number. Okay, here we have the 2-digit number, that is 88, and 1-digit number is 1. So since 1 is a 1-digit number, so we have write it below ones, and 88 has 2-digit number, in which 8, which is on right side, is at ones place, and the 8 which is on left side is at tens place. So we have written it respectively in respect of their places. Now we are going to add them up. Let's add ones place digits first. 8 plus 1 will give us, yes, we can draw lines and do the addition. Let's draw 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here we have 1 line. So here, till here we have 8 lines, and then we have one more, that is 9. So it will give us 9. But children, below 8, which is at tens place, we don't have any digit below it. So do we have to add it up with any digit? क्या हमें इसे किसी और डिजिट के साथ ऐड करना चाहिए? No, क्योंकि इसके नीचे हमें कोई डिजिट नहीं दी है. So we will write it as it is. So the answer will be 89. I hope you all have understood this topic, right?
Word problems of 2-digit number. Example 1. John picked 43 mangoes on Thursday. He picked 35 more on Friday. What is the total number of mangoes picked? Here we have two numbers, 43 and 35. First we will write 43, then 35. Here we will take two biggest digit, that is 4 and 5, and then we will continue the counting after the biggest digit, as we have done here. First I have taken the biggest number from ones place, that is 5, and continued the counting with 3, which gives us 8. And then on the tens place I have taken the biggest digit 4 and continued the counting with 3, which gives us 7. So our answer will be 78. Let's take the other example. Kate sliced 51 guavas in the morning, then later that evening she sliced 20 guavas. What is the sum of guavas sliced? Children, here we have two numbers, that is 51 and 20. We will place them according to their place value, as I have done below. I have written 54 and then 20 according to their place value, as 1 and 0 below 1's place and 5 and 2 below 10's place. Then I have put a plus sign and drawn the line below the number 20. Now we will start our addition from 1's place. We will add 1 plus 0. That means we are adding nothing with 0. So we will write 1 as it is below 1's place. That is 1 plus 0 will give us 1. Then we will add 10's place. That is 5 plus 2. Here we will take the biggest digit 5 and continue the counting by 2. That is 5 plus 2 will give us 7. So our answer will be 71. Children, I hope you all have understood this topic very nicely.